Hello students, let us go through one more word problem based on money. This time the sum is, in a factory the ratio of skilled workers and unskilled workers is 5:3. That's the ratio of the salary of skilled workers and unskilled workers is 5:3. Total salary of one day of both of them is rupees 720. Find the daily wages of skilled and unskilled workers. Very easy. Don't try to understand anything initially, just read the last statement, and the last statement is find the daily wages of skilled and unskilled workers. So find the daily wage of the skilled worker and find the daily wage of the unskilled worker. So how do we start? Let the daily wage of the skilled worker be rupees X and unskilled worker be rupees Y. Easy. Now read the first condition. The first condition says, in a factory, the ratio of the salary of skilled and unskilled worker is 5:3. See, the sum is X plus Y, difference X minus Y, product X into Y, and ratio is X upon Y. So whenever the condition is the ratio, it is X upon Y, and the ratio is 5:3, meaning X upon Y is equal to 5/3. So the equation is X upon Y is equal to 5:3 is basically 5/3. Now to bring this in the standard form, we just need to cross multiply. So let's cross multiply. You get 3x is equal to 5y. So 3x minus 5y is equal to 0. Let this be the first equation. Very simple, right? Now look at the second condition. It is simpler. It says total salary of one day of both of them is rupees 720. Total salary is 720, meaning X plus Y is equal to 720. So the second equation is X plus Y is equal to 720. Let this be equation number 2. Now look at the two conditions, the two equations. Look at the coefficients of X. The coefficients are not the same. You cannot eliminate X. Look at the coefficients of Y. The coefficients are not the same. You cannot eliminate Y. So now you either make the coefficient of X same or make the coefficient of Y same. To make the coefficient of Y same, we need to multiply the second equation by 5. So let's multiply the second equation by 5. What do we get? When you multiply the second equation by 5, we get 5x plus 5y is equal to 720 into 5, which is equal to 3600. Let this be the third equation. Now in the first equation we have minus 5y, in the third equation we have plus 5y. The signs are different, so we need to add equation 1 and equation 3. So let's do that. Now when we add the first and the third equation, we get the first equation is 3x minus 5y is equal to 0. The third equation is 5x plus 5y is equal to 3600. Let's add. Minus 5y plus 5y will get cancelled. We get 8x is equal to 3600. So x is equal to 3600 upon 8. When you divide, you get 8 ones are 8 450s are. So x is equal to 450. Once you get the value of x as 450, now substitute this value of x in the second equation. We get, substituting x is equal to 450 in equation number 2, we get 450 plus y is equal to 720. So y is equal to 720 minus 450. Y is equal to 270. Y is 270. X is 450. So the ratio of the daily wage of skilled worker is rupees 450 and unskilled worker is rupees 270. As simple as that.